My name is Manish, and today we will discuss how to create a method overloading. Okay, so can you explain what is the method overloading? What is the function overloading? It's a concept where we can develop, where we can create multiple function with the same name, but with different signature. Okay, as for example, I create a function public and I pass a return type sorry, and the function name is sum. Okay, now I pass some variables int a, int b. Okay, so I declare this method with integer, so I have to return this functionality, return a plus b. Okay, fine, it's the same function. If I try to create another function with the same name sum, okay, int a, int b, it's a same function name, same functionality name. Okay, same function, same functionality, so it will throw an error. Okay, it will throw an error because the function name is the same, return type is the same, and the parameter I mean to say signature is also the same. So the compiler will be confused. I mean to say what the function will be called. Okay, so to define this function we have to pass another signature, and another signature may be anything, means number of variables or type of variables. I declare it another variable c. Okay, now return return oh sorry, a plus b plus c. Okay, so you can type any type of value, any type of variables. Okay, now try to call this function. I already declared a variable. I already create a object of this calculation class. Okay, now cu dot sum. Okay, now check, it's showing two function names sum and sum. First one contain only two variables and second one contains three variables, so it's your choice what function do you want call. So I want to call first function, so I pass only two value. Okay, and again I pass another value. Okay, so here I call two functions with the same name with different signature. Okay, and store the value in another variable sum1 and sum2. Okay, any problem? I think should not be. now now write the code for the displaying the value. So system dot out dot print. Okay, sum1 first variable and sum2 is the second variable. Okay, do you have any problem? No, I think should not be. So now I run this program. Okay, you can check here, oh 1117, so I will use ln. Okay, it is playing both answer in the same line, so you are confused. ln. Okay, now run it. Okay, fine, 11 and 17. Okay, so I think you get better. or follow this poster for latest or videos, subscribe this channel and click on bell icon. Okay, thank you.